The value of one Vechain coin is equal to 0.3417 rams. The current price range is between 0.3349 and 0.3494 rams, and the previous day's close was 0.3443 rams. The change was 0.0026 and 0.76 backwards. The price of Vechain is expected to be between 0.34 and 0.36 rands on Friday, July 21st. Vechain guesstimate cost 0.34 rands, high 0.36, low 0.32 rands on July 24th. Vechain guesstimate cost 0.34 rands, high 0.36, low 0.32 rands on July 25th. Vechain figure cost 0.33 rands on July 26th, high was 0.35 rands, low was 0.31 rands. The price of Vechain is expected to be between 0.34 and 0.36 rands on Thursday, July 27th. On Friday, July 28th, a Vechain figure cost 0.35 rands, high 0.37, low 0.33. The price of Vechain is expected to be 0.33 rands on Monday, July 31st. On Tuesday, August 1st, Vechain cost 0.32 rands, with a high of 0.34 and a low of 0.30. On Wednesday, August 2nd, Vechain cost 0.31 rands, with a high of 0.33 and a low of 0.29. Vechain figure cost 0.31 rands on Thursday, August 3rd, high 0.33, low 0.29. On Friday, August 4th, Vechain was expected to cost between 0.31 and 0.33 rands. On Monday, August 7th, Vechain was expected to cost between 0.32 and 0.34 rands. On Tuesday, August 1st, Vechain cost estimates were 0.34 rands high, 0.36 rands low, and 0.32 rands. On Wednesday, August 2nd, Vechain cost estimates were 0.36 rands high, 0.39 rands low, and 0.33 rands. Cost estimates for Vechain on August 3rd were 0.34 rands high, 0.36 rands low, and 0.32 rands low. Chain estimates for August 4th were 0.35 rands high, 0.37 rands low, and 0.33 rands low. The price of Vechain is expected to be between 0.35 and 0.37 rands on Monday, August 7th. On Tuesday, August 8th, Vechain predicted that it would cost between 0.36 rands and 0.33 rands. On August 9th, the price of Vechain was predicted to be between 0.35 and 0.33 rands. On Thursday, August 10th, Vechain was expected to cost between 0.39 and 0.42 rands. On Friday, August 11th, Vechain was expected to cost between 0.39 and 0.42 rands. Vechain gauge on Monday, August 14th cost 0.41 rands high 0.44 low 0.38 Vechain value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 22, 26, and 2027 Vechain cost expectation for July 27th. In the first place cost at 0.37 rands exorbitant cost 0.40 while low cost 0.29 the found the middle value of cost 0.35 Vechain cost gauge toward the month's end 0.32 change for July 13.5% Vechain gauge for August 2023 in the first place cost at 0.32 rands exorbitant cost 0.46 while low cost 0.28 the found the middle value of cost 0.34 Vechain cost gauge toward the months and 0.30 change for August 6.3% Vechain cost expectation for September 2023 in the first place cost at 0.30 rands exorbitant cost 0.30 while low cost 0.26 the found the middle value of cost 0.29 Vechain cost gauge toward the months and 0.28 change for September. 6.7 Vechain gauge for October 2023 to start with cost at 0.28 rands exorbitant cost 0.30 while low cost 0.26 the found the middle value of cost 0.28 Vechain cost estimate toward the Months end 0.28 change, for October 0% Vechain, cost expectation for November 2023 to start with cost at 0.28 rams exorbitant cost 0.29 while low cost 0.25, the found the middle value of cost 0.27 Vechain, cost estimate toward the months, and 0.27 change, for November. 3.6 Vechain estimate for December 2023 to start with cost at 0.27 rands exorbitant cost 0.29 while low cost 0.25, the found the middle value of cost 0.27 Vechain, cost estimate toward the months, and 0.27 change, for December 0.0%. We expect the price of Vechain to be in January 2024. To start, cost was 0.27 rands, high cost was 0.33, and low cost was 0.27. The medium cost was 0.30. Estimate of how much Vechain will cost by the end of the month change for January, 0.31, or 14.8% Vechain figure for February 2024 started at 0.31 rands, with high prices of 0.39 and low prices of 0.31. They ended up at a price of 0.34, which was a 16.1% change from the beginning of the month. Vechain price expectation for WOC 2024 started at 0.36 rands, with high prices of 0.40 and low prices of 0.34. They ended up at a price of 0.37, which was a 2.8% change from the beginning of the month. Iran's high cost was 0.43. And its low cost was 0.37. The middle was found at 0.43. Bitcoin price predictions and Ethereum price predictions. BTC and ETH drop nearly 5%, weekend bounce. Bitcoin and Ethereum, two of the most well-known coins, have both lost a lot of value. BTC is now worth $29,780 and ETH is worth $1,889. As buyers keep a close eye on these events, they need to look into the technical outlook to figure out what the price might do in the next few days. The goal of this Bitcoin and Ethereum price forecast is to look at recent price changes and see if BTC and ETH might get a boost before the weekend. How much will Bitcoin cost? From an analytical point of view, Bitcoin is trading just above a key support level at $29,500. A triple bottom pattern in the 4-hour window is another sign that this support level is correct. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, show a negative trend. The RSI is